Hello everyone. In this video of regular expression package, you are going to learn about star and plus. So what is the star and plus? Do I mean multiplication and addition? No. In regular expression perspective, the star and plus has yet another different definition. So what is that is very simple. This is going to be represented as the number of occurrences of a particular pattern in a given string. I say pattern, so we know what is pattern in regular expression. That is what we fix as a formula or as a representation we want for an entire string. So what is this star and what is this plus? Let's don't want to wait, we can see it immediately, right? So I want the regular expression package to be imported, so import regular expressions package, import re. Now what I'm going to do is just I'm going to take, right, I extract each word in a given line using star and plus. Using star and plus, I'm going to extract each word from a given string. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to have a string, say string 1 is going to be equal to, we are learning Python programming in KLU, right? So I say in K or caret, right? We are learning Python programming in caret. So this is what the string I'm going to take for the learning this star and plus. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to use my compile method and create my formula. So my formula is going to be very simple. I'm going to extract words. So in the given sentence, is its question itself, it is very clear that I need to extract the words. So for extracting words, we know that we have something called as /w escape sequence. This escape sequence will extract individual characters from a given string. I mean characters, why? Because it extracts single character from the entire line, single one by one character, right? So that is string of size 1. If I want to extract it as a word, then what I have to do? Very simple, put a star. Now what is this star going to represent? We need to understand, right? Star is used to specify zero or more occurrences of a given pattern. Zero or more occurrences for a given pattern is going to be represented by star. So if /w is going to be there here, if I say /w, what is going to happen? It is going to take this capital W once, then E next, then a space. So space is not considered as /w. So it says /w star, which says zero or more occurrences. So it takes W also, E also, because zero or more, it takes everything together and forms a word. Now I'll print this and let you know on how this actually work. Print p dot find all of string 1. Right? Let's execute this and see how this W is going to work. See, I get something. I'll close this compiler and create a new thing, new interpreter for you, so that the output becomes very clear. Yes, you see, I get VE, WE, both I'm getting by, because zero or more occurrences, so it is clubbing all the things. Here also, you leave this, I'll explain this. We have A or E, because A is a /W, small w term, so it is taken. R is also a small w term, E is also a small w term. So more occurrences are taken. Here also more occurrence. So more occurrences of /W is coupled together and then displayed. But the original meaning of star is zero or more occurrence. This space is not a /w term. It is a space which doesn't comes in /w. It is a zero occurrence. Zero occurrence is also taken into consideration. So it is actually taken into consideration. Now I'll explain you this with a small difference. I'm going to take this star and give it to be plus. So what I'm going to take, I'm going to use plus now. Plus is used to specify one or more occurrences of a given string given pattern. So what I'm going to do, just let us have this as P1, and we are going to have another pattern here. P2 is going to be re.compile of slash w plus. Now what happens, the space that is an empty string will not be taken into consideration. Why? Because it says one or more occurrences. Zero or more occurrences is not considered. It is going to take one or more occurrences. So I say p2 dot find all of string one, same string one I'm taking. Now I'll execute this and let you know. So we'll have a print statement, print zero or more occurrences of slash w, and this is print one or more occurrences of slash w. This is what we are going to study. So see here, in the zero or more occurrences of slash w, you get this empty character for space. Actually, space is not belonging to slash w. It is going to give it the number of matching characters. When it see a space character is 0. Even though there is no match, it will take that because 0 or more occurrences is considered by star. But when coming to plus, it will not consider the 0 matching. It considers at least one matching, that is one or more, right? So when I see a space character, it is giving it 0 matching, so it will not consider. So spaces are not considered here. So this is a very clear explanation on how the star and plus will behave with respect to the escape sequences in regular expression, right? So when you want to combine these regular expressions together and form a very big formula, this star and plus plays a very big role. Without that, you cannot build a very big formula, right? So these things will actually help you a lot, right? Yes. Hope you have understood this star and plus concept very clearly with respect to W. Similarly, you can use it for slash D, slash S, and so on. Yes. Thank you.